This is one of like my oldest tools, a hand drill. It's very useful tool. So it's a simple mechanism. You can just hold this like this, and if you move it, this portion will work or move faster. You can drill holes on like normal bricks using this. I have also drilled some holes using this. So if you want to just set the bits, you can just put this here, the drill bits. So let me put one drill bit, not drill bit, but let's say my Bosch screw bit. So this is magnetic, as you can see. If I want to put it here, just move it this way. It's fit fine. So one gear is here, one is here. As you can see here, there are two gears. So these gears are just changing the axis of rotation. So here if you'll see, I'm rotating in this axis, and here this is like kind of 90 degree. Cool stuff. The cost was also, I think, around 300 rupees only, along with a drill bit set that I got this drill bit from eBay. Cool stuff. A drill bit, a hand drill.